The River King prepares to sail from Stourport on Severn on a return trip downriver to Worcester. Operated by the Severn Steamboat Company, these trips were very popular during the summer months. It doesn't take long for the passengers to board, and soon after the skipper has checked all is well, they are off, upriver a short way to turn around. The River King was built in 1933 in Yorkshire and traded as a cargo barge on the River Ouse. Later, she came around the coast to Chepstow for carrying stone on the River Wye and Severn. In 1960, she was converted at Saul Junction to carry passengers. The River King still trades on the Severn at Stourport, licensed to carry 120 passengers and now operated by Dainscroft Leisure. Having locked down from Holt Fleet Lock, the River King is soon passing beneath Holt Bridge, on her way down to Beverley Lock. The River King beat me to Worcester, and by the time I arrive, she is already moored, with her passengers beginning to alight to start their time in the city. Back at Beverly Lock, we see another river cruiser appear, the Severn Traveller, on a short trip from Worcester.
We all stand and make a mess of that. Good it.
A few days later, on the 25th of July 1990, we see the old Carbolate arrive at Beverly Lock on her way back to Stourport from a day trip to Worcester. She was built in 1911 as a tanker barge carrying crude tar for the tar works at Gloucester. Passengers alighted, The empty carbolate passes beneath Stourport Bridge to moor safely for the night before another busy day tomorrow. A few years ago, the carbolate was sold and is now renamed the Ribchick Piranha, being converted to a floating restaurant at Gloucester. Thank you for watching my film. If you liked it, why not subscribe to my channel and hit the like button? Meanwhile, I look forward to meeting you all again next week with a new film for you to enjoy. Bye!